Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect Stripe to your WooCommerce account and service, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am using this official documentation by WooCommerce since I do not have a subscription for WordPress and I can't access the plugins. However, this should prove quite sufficient and you should be able to understand everything. These steps are very easily understood, so let's get right into it. And by the way, the Stripe plugin is free and it is used for payment processing, in case you didn't know already. But yeah, you just need to create a Stripe account to access everything that you need. Now, to connect it and install once you've installed the Stripe extension, then you just need to go to WooCommerce, navigate to settings and go into the payments tab. Then you need to click finish the setup button next to Stripe, and then you need to click create or connect an account. Just connect the account you've already made. If you haven't, you can connect it or create it right over here, and that is basically it. Now, the create or connect a test account button should only be used if you're using a test-only Stripe account to test if payments are going through well, and that is it. Now, after you do this, you'll be redirected to connect.stripe.com, where you need to connect your existing account if you have it, and then whether you simply connect to an existing account if you're already logged in, or create a new account here, you'll be launched back into WordPress and to the admin dashboard, where you'll be able to connect the Stripe extension. And then in the account details section, you just need to click configure the connection button. Then you need to ensure that your account is connected through the webhooks, that everything is configured as you can see here. Just make sure everything is green and you should be good to go. And after you do that, that should be pretty much it. It is as simple as that. Again, the Stripe plugin is free and officially made by Stripe, so you don't need to worry if it'll work correctly or not. If you are experiencing some issues, you do have the troubleshooting guide over here, which you can check out on this here documentation post. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.